Kikonyogo wajini choke pa National Council and mierne lok me repo lokin FDC Lutela pa FDC. Ine lok muti me 2 months down the road. La wa beru kaneno comedy more, and one of the guys said, you are going to be sold. Do you know one of the tribes that sold FDC in this country? Ngarmo waini. Who is that? Ni mono de magisu. Mono gitika wajanandala mafabi. Anyway, it is a joke. So, do you think ni FDC can get back Karachelo?
Unity pa FDC kano ke dwogo karachiel no ramo bedo tie no besije Erias Lukwago ke ambassador Bill Gwage pego pokeo mago chaka alliance ma megi kengi keta go chaka kombetini PM kama dongen go oyene nyota te ni winye pe watiki FDC ario kombeti watiki FDC Katonga watiki FDC na Janankumbi.
But Pat, it has always been like that from time memorial.
Ena tiko chini. Donka watiki wajini comedy unity tie. Pia mineno, joma go charo party ni, joma FDC wajini.
Party yoni kicharada?
Ena tiko wajini gen FDC wajini it is dirty money. Dirty money mageni tiko wajini okonyiki campaign 2021.
Pego kwer chiente.
Pego kwer chiene. Ero kubiri waji chiene chatan. Ero kutiyo kwede ba. Chiene ngamo gwako kibira gwako chiene outboard besije. Kitiyo mabe kitiyo makom chiene ba. Kage ter ke gwako kono. Besije chiene tin. O waji ende we out teach pa FDC.
But besije riya machenta ende after though. Why no one thing chiene wuter ka makene?
Kitiyo kwede. Mado. Yes, ado.
Really?
Kitiyo kichiene ni.
Paypal nyinkano ba?
Waji kitiyo kichiene ni. The debate mado wega moriat kumbe go poke gele besije moria wagi tiyu ci million rio giter ke kere at besije besije tiyu ki chena ene mi wachi mobilization ken wach kamo ken ni ento wachi bidena ke dwako mado no ka do dwako no kong make kelo ni tiyo kwede. That was the statement in the national press in the New Vision statement pa moriat. And this was picked with press conference.
Did we pick the statement by Besije regarding that?
Exactly. Besije mado bino kamiyo chiana kiro bino kwere. It was so emotional. Mao logo matek o logo nino eni waberu ki press conference hario. Iwan luo waberu ki split screen. Achelti najana nkumbi, achelti sharing. That is where that statement came from. So, gin matika tiwe kubeniba ni kono keberepe. Chena do poko dano.
So ini tamani FDC miyote ngokong merepe.
Ana tamani kumbeti FDC ma ana ngeyo ma chiek ngeyo ni FDC ki kome. Ene FDC pa moriate. Makiti waji gen go charo FDC yoni. Gena giti FDC PM pen chiek pa FDC constitution ki office pa FDC ki office ma gamente ngeyo ma electoral commission ngeyo. Ene pa moriat gini.
Pathway, ana neno kiena ma Erias Lukwago ober young DP before he even left DP. Erias Lukwago ober nywana kama empty here there's always confusion. Itamani confusion mati FDC and Erias Lukwago is entirely to be blamed.
Erias Lukwago lawyer mo mariak. Ento dano dire ngere PM riak beno konyo dano maduong. Ero kani enti ka konyo dano ero nyuano tien dano kita time kwerni. PM DP iringe kata godo wanyi kwere ki honorable Nobat Mao.
Actually, when mamege yo chako even before Nobat Mao to just put it into perspective. Same ogere the late. That is when Lukwago started fighting.
Chi inone lueny magjone ene tinge joma luenya libu. Mubarak munyago menoti ye. La kori joba mala kori lueny mi gwer dano ngwarni. An pa ngepe ngope ko chara to kodiru pio dile ngwar ti ngat kitimo wache fair play ka ngar mono gwe okay gwe eno ki gwe ya to wache no fair play wundo obara ban fair play. Why are we not having fair play in politics? Because FDC mi biro kumeri wache ne they want to thrive on the principles of unity and ngo Lutela ma mego chero do e diaspora ka chero ka yinyu chene. Now they are lobbying but they will not get the money. PM no benefit kono ka yinyu chene gina pera te ayene. Let them set their grassroots ubed matek go nen Lutela gi ento kubeti Lutela mergo ney where is their direction otherwise they are lost.
I don't know whether FDC is headed to forming another Guinea. I mean the faction pa Guinea pa Dr. Kano Kiza Besije which are forming another political party. That is a question for another day. And bene ki which pa Erias Lukwago, Nyanjura Dorin, and then Nyanjura the other day in a red dress, Arapenyo ki Facebook away, my sister. Mande chako don't cover from blue to red, and are we safe? Anyway, that is a conversation by FDC, but we need peace in political parties. Come here, Uganda must